Hey guys, it's Jay with iCar-STL.com, and today we're doing a walk around of the 1992 Toyota Soarer Twin Turbo. Please hit the subscribe button to see more of our cars. This one here we will go through and I will show you the flaws in the paint, some of the interior flaws, and do a cold start for you and take you for a drive. This car is imported from Japan. It is a right-hand drive, powered by a 1JZ, which is the 2.5 liter straight six twin turbo. Came out, basically that same motor was used in the Toyota Supras over in Japan too. It is an automatic. It has cloth interior, power windows and power locks. Tires are in good shape on it. Car runs fantastic and drives incredible. It's very similar to the Lexus LC cars that we had over here. Let's go ahead and get started on the walk around of the exterior. Alright, let's do the walk around. The first thing we'll start with here in the front and work our way around the car. The paint on this car, 5 being the highest, I would score it somewhere between maybe a 2.5 and a 3. It does have quite a bit of sun fade or sun damage on it. I don't know if you can see it, a little bit yellowing on there. Not sure if it's been repainted at all in its life. I'm gonna venture to say probably not. It does have spots here on the right hand side fender. You can see this, but no dents, no dings. You can see this door. It's got a little bit of peeling here on the clear coat, but again, no dents, no dings, no rust. So you can see some of the clear coat peeling up there too. So rear quarter. The spoiler has seen better days. It's got marks and clear coat and divots all over it. And then the trunk has some clear coat flaking on it as well. Windshield and back window are in good shape. The roof has a spot here, but other than that, the car does shine. It is not bad for a, 27 years old, 28-year-old car. The fender quarter panel, it's got a scratch going down the side there. A little bit of marks here. No dents, no dings though. This fender here looks to be in good shape. Just a little yellow, and then it's got a couple chips and stuff on the hood there. Wheels are perfect condition. Tires are Yokohama. Got a little bit of clear coat issues on the mirror. A little bit of spider webbed there. Driver's side wheel, again, perfect. In the back, perfect. The interior. Seats look to be good. It's like a tape thing here along the rail that looks like it came off. Steering wheel doesn't show a whole lot of wear on it. It does have a mark here on the dash. I don't know if you can see that, but no cracks or anything like that. Armrest looks good. Carpet. The door panel has some stains on it here and here. and the handle is broken. You can still open it, but it's broken. And then it looks like this door piece here is missing a piece or broken there. Everything does work on it though. Back seat is mint. Carpet looks good. No burn holes, no stains on it. Go over to the passenger side. This door here is mint. And the dash is in incredible shape. Does have owner's manual. Carpet. We will go ahead and do a cold start here for you. And back seat. Carpet does have this mat here too. So let's go ahead and do a cold. All right, let's do a cold start. Mufflers are cold. Fires right up. See, the dash is digital. The air conditioning is on and it is not blowing cold. 60 degrees. Headlights. Let's listen to the motor here. Fired right up, nice and smooth. Turn the flashers on, you can see those up there work. Probably have to go get gas before I take it for a drive though. Flashers. Let's go ahead and take her. All right, let's take it for a drive. Fuel light is on, so I'm not going to be able to go very far. You can even see that stuff there. So one of the main questions we get asked with these right-hand drive cars is, are they legal? Yes, they are. 100% legal to drive and own in America. Everything is in kilometers, so you got to kind of be able to do the math. The miles down there. Odometer is in kilometers. The speed is in kilometers. You can figure 100 kilometers per hour is about 60 miles an hour. But this car drives smooth, shifts smooth, builds boost, and it gets moving in a hurry. This car. You can see it accelerate, nice and smooth. It's had heads-up display before heads-up display, like, was cool, you know? The 90s digital dashes. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at the number listed below, or you can email us at office@icar-stl.com. We do take trade-ins, so if you have something that you want to trade in, let us know. We'll get you an evaluation on, see if we can't make a deal. This concludes our drive of the 1992 Toyota Soarer twin turbo 1JZ coupe. Thanks for watching.